He's Parker the cat. Ooh, livened you up, Reggie. Who's livened you up? He's bigger than you two, isn't he?